This was meant to be a normal deep clean until...
For sake.
Hey everyone, welcome back for part 2 of our build series on our Nissan Skyline R34 GTT. Now we've got another horrible day here in sunny Wrexham, so we thought the best thing to do is to get work done while we can, get it jacked up on the rear diff, which is the safest point to do it on these cars, and get the wheels taken off. Now this stuff I'm applying here is called TFR, Traffic Film Remover. I'm doing a light dusting of this at first, and I'm going to use the pressure washer just to get the initial dirt and grime away. I think it's pretty satisfying watching all those years of built up crap just drop to the floor. Using quite a big wheel brush here just to get around the most general areas, and going back to a smaller brush to get into the more intricate parts around the wheel spaces and between the brake calipers and whatnot. Another rinse off, and you can see it's starting to look pretty good. While you've got the wheels off, it's a pretty good time to do more of a deep clean on them. You can flip them around and get to all those bits that you wouldn't normally be able to get to with the wheel on. Quick visual inspection to see our work. I'm pretty happy with that so far, until I notice this.
For fuck's sake.
So guys, when I first got this car, I was expecting to find a few issues hidden here and there, but what I was not hoping to find was a big massive hole in the underside of it. Now, although we have found more issues, I think the improvements speak for themselves. This looks a lot more presentable than when we started, and it's a nice clean surface for us to start work on when we've got it on the ramp. I didn't film as much of this side, but we found more issues, i.e. this arch liner is just hanging loose. I have no idea how long that's been there for. It was something I just couldn't leave, so I decided to get it sorted there and then. Now that's secure, I did find even more issues, little jobs like this crack on the side skirt. Notice as well on the other side that the wheel spaces are actually missing bolts, which I'm pretty sure isn't good for safety. I didn't film as much, but as you can see, the improvements here are massive, even though it's still got the product left on. And just a quick rinse off to remove all the acid, and we are done for today. Right guys, that just about finishes it for that video today. Now I hope showing you that doing these seemingly insignificant jobs does have a worthwhile cause. Now we've uncovered a few things there, stupid little bits that need welding, as well as bolts missing off the spacers and things like that. All seem like little insignificant things, but they all add up and they all need addressing as soon as we get this car on the ramp. So like and subscribe, keep following the journey, and by the end of it, we will have a nice, clean car, I hope.